Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video, we'll show you how to skip commercials when watching recordings on YouTube TV. One of the major benefits of DVR is the ability to fast forward through ads, and YouTube TV makes this possible for recorded content. Let's learn how to do it. When you watch a program that you have recorded on YouTube TV using its cloud DVR, you have the ability to skip commercials. This feature is included with your base YouTube TV subscription for recorded content. To skip commercials, start playing a recording from your YouTube TV library on any device such as your smart TV, streaming stick, mobile device, or web browser. While the recording is playing, bring up the playback controls. This is usually done by pressing a button on your remote like OK or select, or by tapping the screen on a mobile device. The playback controls will typically include a progress bar showing your current position in the recording. You will also see controls for play, pause, rewind, and fast forward. To skip commercials, use the fast forward function. On most remotes, there will be a dedicated fast forward button, often represented by two arrows pointing to the right. On a mobile device, you might tap and hold the fast forward button or drag the progress bar. When you press or activate the fast forward function, the video will speed up, allowing you to quickly move through the commercial break. YouTube TV's playback interface is designed to help you navigate through recordings. As you fast forward, you will often see a preview window showing where you are in the content, and the progress bar might indicate where commercial breaks are located. You can continue fast forwarding until you see the program resume, and then press the play button to resume watching. Some devices or interfaces may even offer a quick skip forward button, often skipping in increments of 10 or 15 seconds, which can be helpful for quickly getting past commercials. Remember that the ability to skip commercials applies to content you have recorded to your YouTube TV DVR. This feature does not apply to live TV or most on-demand content, where commercials are typically not skippable. We hope this video helped you learn how to skip commercials in YouTube TV recordings. If you found this tutorial useful, please give the video a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful tips and guides.